Good morning, this is Mr. Veron with the solution to the problem of the day from May 19th. So it says the map below shows the location of some places in Keith's hometown. Part A, what ordered pair names the location of the bank. Part B, what is located at 2, 6. Part C, moving along the grid lines, the shortest distance from the store to the bank is 3 blocks. Moving along the grid lines, what is the shortest distance from the store to the zoo? And then part D, moving along the grid lines, the shortest distance from the library to the soccer field is 7 blocks. What ordered pair could name the location of the library? So here are our solutions. So the first thing I did was draw the map so we could see it as we worked. So the first thing they want to know is what is the ordered pair of the bank. So when we're doing coordinates, so we have an X and a Y coordinate. Now this bottom line right here is actually called our X axis. So that is our X coordinate. And this vertical line that comes here is our Y axis. So that is going to be our Y coordinate. So when we're doing coordinates, we're always going to start off first at 0, which is called our origin. So we're going to start off at 0, and then we're going to count over along our X axis, and then we'll go up to find the location. So that will give us our 2 numbers for our ordered pairs. So if I start at 0, I'm going to count over to 5, and then I need to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 in order to get to the bank. So the ordered pair or the coordinates for the bank would be 5, 4. If you've ever played Battleship, it kind of is the same concept. Now part B wanted to know what is located at 2, 6. So again, we would start off at 0. We would make sure we go to the right 2 spaces, and then we would go up 6 spaces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the zoo would be at 2, 6. Part C was saying that moving along the grid lines, the shortest distance from the store to the bank is 3 blocks. So if we look here, we'll just count 1, 2, 3. And it really doesn't matter what direction you go, it'll still be 3. If I go up, 1, 2, 3. I can even go up, over, and then up again. It still ends up being 3 blocks. So that's the shortest distance from the store to the bank. They want to know, moving along the grid lines, what is the shortest distance from the store to the zoo? So same concept, we're just going to count how many blocks or spaces we would have to move in order to get from the store to the zoo. So an easy way, we could go left, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks to the left, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So it'd be 8 blocks in total once we go up. Same thing here, if I do from the store, I could go up 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks, and I'd go to the left 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. So again, we get a total of 8 blocks. So again, it doesn't really matter which direction you go, you'll still end up with the same amount. Now part D, there's going to be more than one solution to this. So it says moving along the grid lines, the shortest distance from the library to the soccer field is 7 blocks. What ordered pair could name the location of the library? So really, we're going to just start off at the soccer field, and as long as we move 7 blocks for the shortest distance, then we can have multiple representations. So if we look here, here are some of them that I came up with. So 5, 6 would be an option, 6, 5 would be an option, 7, 4, 4, 7, 2, 7, and 1, 6, and 0, 5. So those are all 7 blocks away from the soccer field. So any of those would be a possible answer for this. So let's just look at the 5, 6 so you can understand what I did there. So if I started at the soccer field, if I went over 2 spaces, so that's 2 blocks, and I got to go a total of 7. So that means I got to go up 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That puts me at 5, 6. The 6, 5, if I started at the soccer field and I went over 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, that means I need to go up 4 in order to get to the 7 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I look at that coordinate, it would be 6, 5. And basically I just did that for all different possibilities. and those are the ones that I came up with. So hopefully you came up with the same solution, and stay tuned for today's problem of the day. Thank you. Bye.